Hello friends, welcome back. So in this lecture, we'll continue with our last lecture and we'll perform third and fourth step in this lecture. So first of all, for performing the step 3, you need to go to voucher screen and from here select journal voucher by pressing F7. Here by pressing F7, you can see here start adjustment option is available on the right horizontal bar. So you can press Alt J to execute that and select the type of duty or tax for start adjustment, that is GST. Now for nature of adjustment, you have to list from the list of nature of adjustment, you have to select what kind of adjustment you are making, that you are increasing your tax liability over here in this voucher. So for increasing your tax liability, select this option increase of tax liability, and in additional details you need to specify the nature of that adjustment. Nature of adjustment belongs to on account of advance receipts because we are receiving advance. So we'll select here on account of advance receipts, and you need to debit here tax paid on advance receipts account debit with the amount of tax that is advance that is applicable or applied on our advance receipts. So that was the amount, and we'll credit CGST advance received over here. Like, you need to give here the percentage and the taxable value, but I'm giving here directly the amount 4838.71, and then again enter and credit SGST advance received with the same amount. Is this clear? And now you can provide here the GST details as well. You can select here the advance details ledger name from where you had received the advance, that is KVM Electronics. Place of supply was Delhi. Registration type is regular. You can select the party type, that is not applicable over here. You can give here the GSTIN number as well and just accept the screen. So third step is clear to you. Now let's see how does it affect on the reports of GST. Go to display more reports, select here GST reports under statutory, select GSTR1. I'm just changing the period to 1st April 2020. I'm so sorry, I had done it wrong. 1st April 2020 till 31st March 2021. Press enter. Now, when you press enter here, this is showing you again uncertain transaction. So go to that, and here it is showing me 1st December tax paid on advance received in general. Tax rate or assessable value does not match. So I am entering this and just I will alter this as per my rate of tax. So how would I see the rate of tax that is applied on that advance? Go to advance amount adjusted, go here, and here you can see 12% was the CGST and 12% was SGST, and our taxable value was 50,000. So what we'll do, we'll go back and we'll select here account books, ledger, and now I will select here which kind of ledger I'll select. Can you please tell me? Can you please tell me? KVM Electricals? No. Then what? Or what can I do? I can choose here the day book. Now from day book, go to tax paid on advance receipts, enter it, and when you enter it, select here 12%, that is on 50,000, accept it, again 12%, that is on 50,000, and just accept the screen by pressing Control A. So I am showing you how you will rectify your errors as well. As I saw so many my students who face these type of problems, so I am giving you solutions right away so that you will not be able to face any kind of problem and you will be do thereby. So select here display more reports, go to statutory GST reports, select GSTR1. Now change the period to 1st April 2020 till 31st March 2021. All right, and press enter. Now here you can see tax liability in GST reports with 50,000 rupees or taxable value, and the tax amount that you have received is 9677.42. So this is the tax liability on you on advance received. Is this clear to you? This is the third step. Clear now? So now the fourth step we were having is the payment of tax. For payment of tax, again go to your voucher screen, select here your journal voucher. Again press Alt J for start adjustment. Select here GST. Now what you are doing? You are decreasing your liability or what? Before decreasing your liability, I will show you how to make the payment. So for that, what you will do, select the payment voucher over here, go to start adjustment, and in start adjustment, select the nature of payment, advance payment under reverse charge, payment under reverse charge, or refund of advance receipt. So we are paying against the advance payment under reverse charge. Select it. Select your bank account. I'm creating here one of the account of my bank, that is HDFC bank account. That is so simple to create. As you know, we had discussed it earlier. I'm giving here the account number, the IFSC code, the SWIFT code. Now the bank branch is, I'm selecting here Krishna Nagar, and then I'm accepting the screen. So in particulars, what you need to do is you have to select your CGST advance received that you had received in advance, that is 4838.71, and then you have to select here SGST on advance received, that is the same amount 4838.71, and then enter and accept it. So you are paying through check. I'm selecting here check. I'm giving the instrument number, the date of that instrument, and accept the screen. So this is how you can make the payment. And the start adjustment in journal, that will decrease the liability, I'll show you in next lecture. Is this clear to you? How will decrease, how will increase the liability, how we had posted the receipt for advance, how we had paid the tax. So now go back to display more reports and GST statutory reports. GSTR1, select here the period once again, enter 31st March 2021, and here you can see tax liability advance received has been not till now not adjusted. Why? Because we have to post one more entry to decrease this liability. After that, this amount will get adjusted. That we'll see in the next lecture. So I hope you understood. If you face any kind of doubt or any kind of query related to these kind of errors, please do know.